Hello students, my name is Anish Sharma and from now onwards we are going to solve MCQs and also we will learn some of the concepts that we have not covered yet. Right? So let's start with this first question. The question is the equation of the line which is equidistant from these two lines, that is x equals to minus 4 and x equals to 8 is we have to find out. Right? Let's suppose this is my x-axis and y-axis. Right, and let's suppose there is a line x equals to minus 4. Always try to draw the graph to have the proper understanding. Right, now this will be my equation x equals to minus 4 because this line is intersecting my x-axis at point minus 4 comma 0. Okay. Now this x equals to 8 will be a line which will intersect my x-axis at point x 8 comma 0 and it will be parallel to y-axis, right? You know this. I'll change it. Okay. Here as this line is passing through 8 comma 0, its equation will be x equals to 8. So these were our two lines, x equals to minus 4 and x equals to 8. We have to find the equation of the line which is equidistant. That means a line should be parallel to both these two lines and it should be equidistant from both these two lines. That means the distance from this side should be equal to this side. Right? Here, as we know these 2 points, we can use this, with the help of this, we can find this intersecting point of the line to x-axis, and this line should also be equidistant from point minus 4 comma 0 and 8 comma 0. That means this point will be midpoint of these 2 points. So how to find the midpoint? Its x coordinate will be the sum of x coordinate minus 4 plus 8 divided by 2. What I will get? 4 upon 2, that means 2. And y coordinate 0 plus 0 upon 2, that means 0 by 2 is 0. So the coordinate of m will be 2 comma 0. That means this equation of this line will be my x equals to 2. This is the required equation of the line which will be equidistant from both these lines. So the answer is my option A. So in this way we are going to find or solve MCQs for the straight line. As this was a very simple example, I am explaining you, but once you got all the points you can directly find the answer, right? Now the next question. The second question is the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x equals to 2, y equals to 3 and 3x plus 2y equals to 6 is at the point. First we should know what is mean by orthocenter. Orthocenter is nothing but it is the intersection of altitudes drawn from one vertex to the opposite side, right? Let's suppose this is triangle ABC. You have drawn vertex from point A to side BC, right? So AD is your altitude. Let's suppose you are drawing a perpendicular from vertex C to the side AB at point E. So CE will be also your vertex. So this intersecting point where CE and AD, that is where the where altitudes are intersecting, this is called as orthocenter. Okay, just remember this. So here first try to draw the or visualize the lines. Let's suppose this is my x-axis, y-axis. X equals to 2 will be my line like this, which is intersecting x-axis at point 2 comma 0. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Okay, this will be my origin. Right. Now the second line is y equals to 3. The y equals to 3 I have to draw. Let's suppose this line is y equals to 3 here. This line will be my y equals to 3 as it is intersecting y axis at 0, 3 point, right? Now this third line, 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Draw it. Find its x-intercept and y-intercept. How to find the x-intercept, y-intercept? You can put, to find the x-intercept, just put the value of y as 0, you will get the value of x-intercept. Or you can convert it into the slope intercept, double intercept form. Just divide it by 6, both sides. What I will get? X by 2 plus y by 3 equals to 1. Divide 6 to every term. So 2 will be my x-intercept, 3 will be my y-intercept. This is my x-intercept, double intercept form, right? So the x-intercept is 2, that is here, and y-intercept is 3, that is here. That means the line is passing through these 2 points, right? So the equation of this line is 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Here you can observe we have a triangle A, O and B, right? This is 90 degree. So right angle triangle AOB, we have to find the orthocenter. That means the intersecting point of altitudes. Here you can observe from point B I have drawn an altitude. OB will be my altitude on side AO. So here I have 1 point. And AO is also an altitude on side OB. That means my altitude OB and AO are intersecting and at point O, which is an origin. So I have to check origin. Origin coordinates are 0, 0. In first we don't have, in second don't have, in third also. So the answer is none of this. So just remember how we have found out the ortho center. Also you can remember in any right angle triangle, ortho center will lie on the point where right angle is there. Okay, so this will be my ortho center in right angle triangle. Just remember this. This will come very handy. Okay. Next,